already know what it is, man. But as y'all can tell by the title today, I'm finna be playing sensitive Toothpaste and my brother Ranch. So you already know, man. I don't do too much talking, man. I'm gonna hop straight in that video, man. Hey, man, Romy eat. Ranch with fries. Ranch with everything, bro. You name it, bro. This man just love. He a Ranchy guy, man. I'm just saying, like, he a Ranchy guy, man. But look, man, how much views? Let me see. Let me think. I say, shush, like, give me like 35k. How much likes? 5k, man. Y'all better give me 5k likes and 35k views, man. Run this up, man. Team Mike every day, man. All day, man. Comment down below what else pranks I should be doing, man. And you know, I ain't even gonna do too much talking, man. But look, hey, I came up with this prank because he went to Chick-fil-A real quick. Yeah, man. I came up with this prank. I've been planning. I'm trying to get my get back on him, man. But look, y'all, I'm hop straight into this before you come back, and I'm gonna be back on game.
One eternity later.
About time, man.
She ain't want that car. That was enough to take a valve. Leave. Can't even get in the truck. You sure you ain't want that though?
Nah, bro. It took you about long enough, bro. You don't want no more, bro.
Text my phone.
You been about there, bro. It took you 20 years, bro, to get something. What you got, bro?
Some fries, cause you don't eat Chick-fil-A meat no more. Some fries with that ranch.
Don't eat meat no more.
I don't know nothing about that, little bro.
Some fries with some ranch.
I don't know nothing about that.
Bro, you get it every time.
Chick-fil-A ranch.
You get it every time. How would I know nothing about that, man? Not much, man.
You fries first today.
Hey, man.
My bad, little bro. You ready to go?
Yes, my bro.
Everything good though.
Whew. That's so nasty, bro. Ranch with fries, bro.
That's how I supposed to taste right now.
No, I'll never eat that. I eat it, but nah.
Hold up.
What happened, bro? That boy ate a fry because he's stretching.
Oh no. I forgot my Chick-fil-A sauce.
Oh yeah.
I ain't even put no Chick-fil-A sauce on my lunch. And Chick-fil-A, come on, bro. How y'all name Chick-fil-A but ain't put my Chick-fil-A sauce in there? Like, come on. I'll be right back. Hold up, girl.
Hurry up, bro. Took you long enough already, bro. Y'all already know what time it is. I don't bet it. How bet it. Woo! Whoa, I know y'all see that sauce. You know what? Let me grab a fry while I'm at it, too. You might be going something. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. He definitely finna taste this. Oh, yeah. Let me hurry up. Let me mix it around. But no, I don't need no napkin. Oh yeah, that don't look legit, y'all boys. Oh yeah. Okay. Oh, that's not. That don't look legit, y'all boys. Oh yeah. Hold on, silk it up a little bit. Silk press. Oh yeah, he gonna think that's some regular wrench if you ask me. Oh yeah, there you go. Alright, chill. Wow, I like I was on my phone chilling. Got your Chick-fil-A sauce, man?
It's in my pocket. Huh? Brother, yeah, it's in my pocket. Don't be worried about me, little bro. Got what I need, little bro.
Alright.
Come on, check today. Man, my fries look a little low. Hey, bro, you been in here eating?
Nah, bro. I ain't
Hey,
eating
bro,
none,
don't be
bro.
capping, bro. You been in here eating my fries, bro?
Touch me.
Bro, if you wanted something, you could have said that, bro. I would have got you something.
Nah, bro. If I want to eat some fries, I would have ate them.
It look a little low.
Yeah, tweaking, bro.
Oh, that Chick-fil-A, man, I'm stuck on that ranch, cuz. My bad. We finna go. That ranch bottle, cuz. You gotta get a lot of that ranch in there. Like that.
Oh, shit, that's gonna be soggy. What happened?
What the?
What happened? What happened, bro?
Mike, stop playing with me, cuz. Don't play with me, cuz. With my food, don't do that, cuz.
Do what, bro?
Bro, what you did to my ranch, bro?
I ain't do nothing to
But
your
that tastes
ranch.
like Sensodyne mixed with. Oh,
Bro, it's
you-
probably spoiled.
bro, stop playing with me, boy. It wasn't spoiled just a few minutes ago when I got out the car. I know it ain't gonna spoil in 2 minutes. Stop
Ain't-
playing with me, bro.
You know what? They probably got that
Bruh.
ranch mixed up with blue cheese. Cause you know how blue
Yeah,
cheese.
bro. It say ranch on the label. They ain't get no, bro. Where my other ranch at, bro?
I don't know.
Bro, why you did that, bro?
What I do, bro?
Bro, what you put in my ranch, bro?
Bro, I ain't putting none in your ranch.
What was the Chick-fil-A sauce in there? It was under my fries. I'm stupid, bro. Mike.
That's what for you.
That's in my mouth.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. You deserve that, bro.
Mike, I play about a lot of junk, cuz. But do not play with my food, fam.
you-
Don't do
you
that,
low-key
bro.
deserve that,
What
bro.
you put in here? You put something in here too?
I ain't put nothing in there, bro. They
I
put
don't
they.
even trust that, bro. You tripping, homie?
Bro,
Like, bro.
I'll take it, bro.
I have my, bro. That's why you don't leave nothing open around niggas, bro. Niggas go to tweaking, bro.
Nah, this man accusing me, bro. You nah, look, bro. You accusing me now. You deserve it, bro. You
So you
deserve
ain't putting
that.
none in my ranch.
No, bro, I ain't putting no in your ranch. It must be spoiled at the bottom. They must have mixed that blue cheese. They must have mixed that ranch.
Nigga,
with blue
shut
cheese.
up. When do Chick-fil-A mix anything? First of all, they don't mix nothing.
So all of a
My,
sudden,
my ranch tasted like ranch a few minutes ago. I get back in the car and it tastes like it's mixed with, like you put
let
something
me
in
see,
it.
check the
Toothpaste or
bottom.
something. You
Look at the
lame.
bottom, bro.
It looked like ranch to me. This is, nah, nigga. I threw it out. Bro, that's toothpaste, bro. I'm looking dead at it, bro. Stop playing
Bro,
with
that's
me,
not
boy.
no toothpaste, bro. If
Right. Cuz, stop playing. Where that toothpaste at? Cuz, stop playing with me.
Bro,
Cuz, you
what
put toothpaste
toothpaste?
in my junk, bro.
bro,
It tastes
trust
like
me, bro.
toothpaste, Mike.
Look, bro, you searching out. You deserve that, bro. Whoever put toothpaste in your ranch, bro.
No, man, she ain't putting none up in here. This tastes regular. Mike, you messing up a nigga appetite. Like, I don't even want the fries no more. Like, bro, you make a nigga not even never want to eat ranch again.
I'll take them, bro.
Hold up, nah. Matter of fact, let me make sure it's cooking. Matter of
Look,
fact,
bro,
you-
look how that look, bro.
This look like the perfect ranch. You put some in my ranch. I ain't stupid. Man, let me take you home to your mama if I end up killing you up in here.
I did not
Playing
put
about
none
my
in your
food
ranch.
and I ain't playing.
Bro, if
like
I
that,
wanted to,
bro.
bro, look, bro, stop accusing
Alright.
me. See, bro, you accusing your own brother, bro. That's how family is now, bro. Man, I see how it is, man.
Man, nigga, we ain't in no movie, nigga. Stop playing with my food. What you mean? Somebody accusing you, nigga. This facts. You the only one in the car.
I ain't gonna
Ain't
lie.
nobody else. You lame. Like, you lame, cuz. You
I
lame.
did.
That wasn't even no good prank.
I
nigga.
did
That was
put
lame.
toothpaste in your stuff, and I did take a fry while I was at it.
Go buy me some more.
Nah, I ain't buying you jack.
Cause that was lame. I ain't even gonna lie.
That was lame. That was
I
lame.
ain't even gonna
Yeah, right. Hey,
you trying to
man.
act like you ain't put no toothpaste in my... Man, stop playing with me, cuz. Look, man, that's toothpaste.
That must tasted good a little bit.
No, nigga. You eat it. You eat toothpaste with some ranch.
I
and
don't want no
that tastes
toothpaste
good,
with it. I don't want no toothpaste.
I was
with it.
lame, nigga.
Hey, man, Team Mike all day, man. Y'all better run this up, man. This
I'm
man
finna
tell
take this out of here, too.
This
no
man
more car pranks finna
this
be
man
done.
tell me I don't play about my food, but we know you don't play about your food, bro, man. Team Mike all day, man. Y'all run them views up and comment down below what else pranks I should do, man. And that was my get back on that evasion prank. I mean, they invaded my privacy prank, bro. Cause look, bro, I don't play like that. You don't play about your food, and I don't play about my room. And yeah, man, DGF gang, we is our own gang.